In this video, I'm going to discuss how to increase your conversion rate with CRO strategies. Conversion rate optimization, or CRO, is a crucial part of digital marketing. It's an effective way to maximize the number of visitors that convert into customers. With the right CRO strategies, you can boost your website's performance and increase your ROI and advertising efficiency. Let's take a look at some of the different types of CRO strategies that you can use to optimize your site. A/B testing is one of the most popular types of conversion rate optimization methods. It involves creating two versions of a page or element on your website and then testing them out on different audiences to see which performs better. This allows you to determine which version resonates more with users and which one drives more conversions. You can also use A/B testing for email campaigns or other marketing materials. The greatest benefit of A/B testing is it removes the guesswork from your strategy. You may have an idea about what your audience needs and wants, but A/B testing allows you to test that hypothesis on a limited number of visitors and prove your hypothesis correct before committing any changes. You can even segment the results of your test by traffic sources and see which audience segments respond to certain changes more positively than others. This provides a wealth of knowledge about the little differences in your audience segments that can generate huge results. Testing different variations of your products or service pages is something all e-commerce sites should be doing on a regular basis. Personalization is another type of conversion rate optimization strategy that can help you increase conversions by providing tailored experiences for each user. By understanding user behavior, you can create personalized content that speaks directly to their needs and interests, making it easier for them to find what they're looking for and more likely to complete a purchase or sign up for a service. The entire theory behind conversion rate optimization is better understanding your audience and customers to determine what information they find most valuable and what experience makes them most likely to convert. Personalization allows you to speak directly to different parts of your audience at the same time while providing both of them with information they each find more useful. It shouldn't come as a big surprise that this is an extremely effective strategy for increasing your number of conversions. Now, with mobile usage continuing to grow every year, optimizing for mobile devices is becoming increasingly crucial for businesses looking to increase their reach and sales volume. A key component of this, is conversion rate optimization, which ensures that the correct offerings are displayed to users during their mobile visits, and the checkout process is highly optimized for hassle-free experience. After all, no one likes dealing with long forms or slow-loading images on their phones. Through the strategic use of CRO, companies are able to boost user engagement, nudge potential customers towards a purchase, and make sure they come back time and again. The bottom line, if you're not prioritizing mobile optimization and CRO, you're likely missing out on an essential piece of your success puzzle. An important part of mobile optimization is making sure the user experience is consistent across all devices. Users are extremely turned off when they find a brand on their mobile device and decide to continue their search on the desktop, only to find a completely different experience. Consistency is essential for creating seamless transitions between devices. Mobile and desktop web should not be in competition, but your approach should ensure that they work in tandem to deliver a full journey experience. Mobile traffic was a higher percentage of traffic versus desktops across all industries this past year, but desktop still has a higher conversion rate on average, 3 versus 1.6, and a higher average order value, 91% higher. Having a multi-device strategy will ensure you capitalize on opportunities across all devices and acquire and retain your customers. User testing websites is a great way for companies to get feedback on their products and website experience. It allows developers to see how people interact with their web pages and receive honest observations. This information is invaluable as it allows companies to make improvements that customers actually need and want. User testing websites offer a range of services from simple surveys and polls to detailed feedback interviews. They can also help identify problem areas, compatibility issues, and usability bugs. With the help of these services, companies can ensure their websites are optimized for the best user experience. making customers more likely to stay on the site longer and return in the future. The most effective user tests involve identifying the main conversion goal on your site and asking testers to go through all the steps required to perform that action. You create a scenario that acts like an actual purchase on your site and see where a user experiences difficulty or enjoys a particular part of the experience. Famous adage in CRO is "don't make me think," made famous by CRO expert Steve Krug. The idea behind it is that any interaction with your website where the user has to think or guess what to do next has the potential to make them bounce. User tests allow you to identify all the areas in your conversion funnel that might cause a user to think for an extra millisecond and remove them before they start to add up and prevent visitors from taking that desired action. Now, heat, click, and scroll maps are essential tools to understand your consumer behavior. Heat maps provide a visual representation of how people interact with online content, such as which sections they spend the most time on and which links they tend to ignore. They are a vital tool used to measure how different elements of a website entice customers to purchase or take an action. These analytical tactics can be incredibly useful for monitoring user engagement and developing marketing strategies by providing insight to what works best across all platforms. Best practices involve using heat maps to show the most popular elements on a landing page and then using that data for creating your A/B test to fine-tune conversions. When and where your users take an action can help you optimize your campaigns for the best results. Onsite surveys are an effective method to conversion rate optimization. They allow businesses to measure customer satisfaction and gather feedback on website design or product performance. Additionally, they can provide customer insights that help to improve company services and products. By offering on-site surveys, companies can understand customer behavior and uncover areas for improvement that increase conversion rates. With the help of on-site surveys, conversion rate optimization is easier than ever. CRO is an important part of any digital marketing strategy, as it helps maximize the number of visitors who convert into customers. There are many types of conversion rate optimization strategies, from A/B testing, personalization, to usability testing, that can help improve your website's performance and ultimately drive more sales and profits. With the right CRO strategies in place, you can ensure that your website is providing an optimal user experience while also boosting conversions across all channels.